On today's episode, we've got the ultimate family home in the ideal location.
With finishes you're gonna love and space for the whole family.
And did we mention it all sits on a half-acre private lot with some cool bonuses like a detached shop with loft space?
All that and more on today's episode. Well, Adam, we have another incredible summer day in front of a stunning listing. Why don't you tell us a little bit about where we're at?
Yeah, that's right, Dev. Beautiful weather here and another beautiful listing. And I think, honestly, the location doesn't get much better than this. Today, we are in Innisfil, and I think buyers of a property like this are going to appreciate the ability to beat the heat in the summertime. That is because this listing is in close proximity to the stunning shores of Lake Simcoe. You literally, from a 2-minute drive or a 15-minute walk from this driveway, can be on a beachfront, and there's a park for the kids there. It doesn't get much better. Let's talk more about the location in general though. You have Friday Harbor Resort, about an 8-minute drive from here, where you have absolutely incredible restaurants, the boardwalk. It's a fantastic place to spend an evening. And if you're looking for your daily conveniences, you're just a quick shot into downtown Innisfil, where you're gonna find grocery, restaurant, and shopping. And if you want more than that, we're literally at the end of Mapleview Drive here, so about a 15-minute drive takes you back into Barrie South End, where again, you're gonna find all of the shopping and restaurants you can possibly ask for. Or if you're a commuter, you can also get your highway access there. It's absolutely fantastic. But if you want to feel rural, and that's exactly what this neighborhood is about, we're on Oak Street right now. It is not a busy throughway at all, so you get very little traffic down here, and you have these oversized, mature lots. It doesn't get much better.
Absolutely, and we have an outstanding property that sits on half an acre with over 3,000 square feet of finished living space with finishes you're absolutely gonna love, plus 4 generous sized bedrooms and the potential for in-law suite capability in the basement with 2 bedrooms. Plus, we have a detached garage. Let's get inside and take a closer look.
Welcome inside 3211 Oak Street. Now, as we mentioned outside, this is the ultimate family home. We have over 3,000 square feet finished above grade here, so it's perfect for those oversized families or even for multi-generational living. Now, there's tons of features you're gonna love about this one, and they start from the moment you walk in the door. We have 9-foot ceilings throughout this entire main level, which make the space feel absolutely huge, and tons of updates and improvements that you're gonna love, including this updated kitchen that I'm standing in right now with this beautiful cabinetry, butcher block countertops, and stainless steel appliances. But the best part I think about this one is the floor plan in general. Again, it's expansive and it allows for those larger families. Not only do you have this large eating kitchen, which has room for a full-size dining table, you also have the formal dining room on one side of the kitchen, and then it spills over into this oversized living room on the other side. Again, perfect spot for entertaining family and friends. Plus, on this level, you pick up some important must-haves, like an absolutely massive home office, a 2-piece bath, and main floor laundry, but we are just scratching the surface here.
Upstairs, you have a functional layout for the whole family with 4 generous sized bedrooms, including this stunning primary retreat that features a 5-piece spa-like ensuite, a walk-in closet, and double door entry. Plus, you have another full bath and some extra bonus space that you don't find everywhere.
Bonus space is right. Now, this is something you truly don't find every day. We're currently above the garage, and this is some fantastic additional living space that you and your family are gonna love. Whether it's a second living room or a spot for the kids to get away with their friends away from the adults, it's truly fantastic. We have vaulted ceilings in here, so it makes the space feel huge. Tons of natural light. Again, you and your family are gonna love this additional finished space.
There's so much to love about this house, but we've definitely saved the best for last, and that's this entertainer's dream backyard. It all starts right here on this raised deck that features a heated saltwater pool, hot tub, the perfect place to barbecue and entertain friends, plus there's still so much more.
Devin certainly wasn't lying when she said there's so much more to see. Now, the beauty of this particular half-acre lot is that you have almost 360 feet of depth here, so the world is truly your oyster when it comes to what you want to do with your backyard. As she showed you before, there's some fantastic entertaining space directly off the back of the house, but now at the back of this lot here, you pick up some entertainment value as well. A great spot to have a fire here in the evening. You have this additional storage shed, which could also be a pool cabana, and this entire space space is fenced in, which means it's perfect for those four-legged friends or for keeping the kids in as well. But if you can believe it, there is actually more to see. Come follow me. And here we are now finally at the back of this 360-foot deep property. And to me, this is where the true magic is. You pick up some additional bonus space here. That's right, we have a 36 by 24 detached garage shop, which is absolutely perfect for you hobbyists, home-based business, or if you just have a ton of overflow and you need that extra storage space. I'm talking about ATVs, dirt bikes, boats, you can store it all in there. And if you can believe it, there's actually some unfinished loft space above there as well. So it gives you that possibility to finish that space and create some additional living space. It could be an overnight spot for guests. It could be a place for the kids as well. Honestly, it doesn't get much better than this. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we certainly know Simcoe County. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.